I just finished with my internship that I'm doing at the hospital. I got to do like some fun things like a long time ago, but like now I'm just like sitting at a desk and like doing paperwork, which it sucks, but like I have to do it. It's not that bad. The people are really nice to me, so I guess I shouldn't be complaining. So right now I'm going to Walmart to get handcuffs because we are gonna handcuff ourselves together for 24 hours. I don't know why I agreed to this, but it's happening. You know what? I need to get a coffee. We're going to the hospital. We're going back to the hospital. It's happening. Turning around right now. Look at these cute little things I have hanging in my car. So I got a pink, like a light pink ice cream, a blue ice cream, and a purple ice cream. I don't know. And then I have donuts up here. They're really cute. I stole them from where I used to work. I probably shouldn't put that in the video, but like they already know I stole them. It doesn't really matter. I got fired, but it wasn't my fault, I swear. Like I didn't do anything. They wouldn't give me a reason, but so Nicole's not with me right now because she's at dance. Oh my god, she's at dance. She's too hard to dance like on 2 dance teams. Like I can't even dance on 1. So I just made fun of myself. I can't find my chapstick! And we got this like little lip thing. Let's look at it. Beauty Guru. No, I'm kidding. I actually hate makeup. I don't know how to do it. Every time I put foundation on my face, I am orange. I look like an Oompa Loompa, so I don't wear foundation. So SOS if anybody can give me foundation tips because I don't know how to use it and I don't know how to wear it because my face is always freaking orange. And I'm tired of it. Oh, this person is really going to try and cut me off. Absolutely not. That is not happening. I'm just gonna get over because I have to turn anyways to get to the hospital. Let me over! You're an actual... There's a parking garage in the hospital and I cry every time I have to park in it because it takes me like 30 minutes to find one parking spot. Like, I drive around in circles and circles and circles for like 30 minutes and I just get so upset every time because it's so irritating. And like I'm really doing this all right now for a coffee, but so this is my own fault. It was my choice. It's a choice. It is a choice. I don't have to do this right now. Oh frick, I don't have to do this, but I am. I don't know why, but free coffee, that's why. Oh my god, I just found a whole bunch. What do I want? I don't know. I guess this one looks good. I think I picked the worst one. Okay. Okay, so we're off to get my coffee. Let's see. Got my coffee. So excited. I got an iced coffee. Cream and sugar. And I got some chips too because I was hungry. Now, I'm gonna go to Walmart. I'm pretty positive I just went in that huge circle. I think I missed the turn where you like go down. Where did that light come from? Fantastic. I don't know where this road takes me, but I don't understand this traffic, so we're gonna try and go this way. I think I literally just like can't go left here, so that's great. Oh, I could have went that way. No, I can't go that way either. Yeah, I can. That's where I need to go. Oh my god, I have to get over. Let me over. Let me over. Thank you. What should I do? What should I do? Alright, this is where I'm parking. I did it. Okay. Let's take a big sip. I almost dropped it. Y'all, I have no idea where to find handcuffs in here. I don't know. What the frick? No, it's like Hot Wheels. Like, where's like the police things? I need like Nerf guns. Okay, do Nerf guns have like Nerf handcuffs? No. Alright guys, so Walmart doesn't have play handcuffs. So spent $7.48 on handcuffs. Play handcuffs. But they're rhinestones, so. But no, that's ridiculous. Why are they $7? What the? They're plastic. Wow, how fun. But I mean, at least they're bedazzled. Wow! What am I getting myself into right now? I like road work on this road, so I'm just sitting in traffic and I absolutely love it. I like this song. That's alright. That's just the kind of life that made me who I am. Oh man, I lived it. Tampa Bay's new country hits, 99.5 QYK. You guys! I know every word of the song. Are you ready? Back in the day, State Farm was a place to go. Load the truck up, hit the dirt road. Jump the vibe, while spread the word. Light the bonfire, they called the girls. King in the can and the marble man. Jack and Jim were a few good men where you learn how to kiss and cuss and fight too. Better watch out for the boys in blue. And all the small town, he said, she said. And it's funny how rumors spread like I know something y'all don't know. They might talk about the girl. I'm spilling my coffee everywhere! I like been shaking my coffee cup everywhere and there's coffee all over my car! Wow, what an idiot. Ugh. Alright, that's enough. That was really annoying. I'm gonna put it in the video because let's put in the gate code. I'm too freaking short. There's a lot of cars at that house. Alright, it's time to go. Alright, we're on hour 1 of handcuff challenge. Yeah, we're gonna be in these for 24 hours, so yay. So we'll get out tomorrow at 8:28 p.m. and it's, what time is it now? 9:30. So we're like on hour 1. Yeah, it's 9:30. So amazing. We are on hour 2. And we're in bed. He is watching a movie. It's going good so far, I guess. It hurts really bad. Actually. Yeah, it's like hurting. Like, it's like so uncomfortable. Like, it's just like, Okay, we're going to get food. We're really hungry. Oh, she's hungry. She just like jumped up so fast out of the bed. It was so funny. She forgot and like almost ripped her wrist off. Dude, get out of your room, but I can't. Ow! That was violent, guys. So Nicole is forcing me to go eat with her because she's hungry. Yes. I don't want to get up, but I have to because, you know. Nicole has decided on a bagel. I decided on apple.
Okay, so Desiree decided she had to take a shower, and so we are in the shower. I'm just sitting here with her shirt on my arm. So this is gonna be fun.
So we're both ready now, and we are gonna go get something to eat because we're hungry.
Hungry.
I don't know where we're gonna eat yet, but we'll find somewhere. We're just gonna go drive around and like find somewhere. We're definitely not going in anywhere because that would be quite a freaking adventure, but we're about to like go to the car and go this anymore.
Is that a pizza guy in a Corvette?
Nicole, that's not a Corvette,
What is
but
it?
nice try. It's a Camaro, but how many hours has it been? What time is it?
It's 1:30.
So we're on hour, okay, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 1:30.
I wasn't counting. I was just going with my fingers.
I
So 10, 15, 16. We're on our 16th hour.
16 hours. We are on 16 hours of this.
Wait, I think 16. 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30. That's 10 hours. 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30. So 17.
Okay, so we're on hour 17. We have to get in the car. Like, I have to crawl through because we have to put this on, so. Ow!
Ow!
This is too hard.
Ow!
Okay. We're in, kind of. So, we're in the car. We are ready to go. I don't know where we're going. Where are we going right now? What do you want to eat? Like,
What kind of food do you want?
you pick. I don't care.
Well, I don't want to decide because if you don't like it, then I'll feel
I
bad.
literally will eat anything right now. Except Panera Bread. I don't want Panera.
We just had
Because we just had Panera. Anything else? Sure.
food. Look at it.
Yeah, I sure hope it does. Alright, let's do this thing. Wait, my key's stuck. I can't get it out. My key is like jank and like does this. So, hold on. Just give me a second to get my... It's actually not coming out. My key just fell apart. My actual key just came apart.
Sounds
And
like
it's stuck in the ignition. What do I do? Oh my god, what do I do? I don't know what to do in this situation. Oh my god. Hold on, let me have this arm. I need you to bring this arm over here. It's stuck, for real. It's actually stuck. I can't get it out. What am I supposed to do? Alright, you guys, so, I called my dad and, like, he doesn't know what's wrong with it, and, like, we had to go out and, get, like, pliers and try and, like, take it out, but it's not working, so I have to go to my dad's work because my car's actually dumb, and, yeah. So my dad's gonna try and go fix it, so we're gonna have to eat our food at his shop. I can't believe my car's actually doing this right now, like, what?
I'm surprised you can drive.
Well, it's like the key's still in there, like it can turn it on, but like it doesn't come out, and we're eating and stuff. And I'll let you guys know how
With
the
our
car situation goes because wow. So bye. Okay.
We are on hour 22.
Thank you.
You're
We're on hour 22. We have 2 hours to go, plus some minutes, but that's what we have left. It has been an eventful day. And it's going to be even more eventful because she wants to go on a walk with the dog around the neighborhood, handcuffed, with the dog. So, we have to do the dishes first, so. That could also be a task.
So, wow.
Yeah, so that could also be a interesting time. We're about to go do the dishes, and then after that, we're gonna go on a little walk with Diesel. He's down here. Ready?
Ow.
Diesel! Hello, puppy. Okay.
Still handcuffed.
So, wow, we're ghost. So, okay, ow, stop. So, after we do the dishes, we're gonna go on a walk with him, and then maybe we'll be close to 8:28 till we can take these things off.
I thought it was 8:26.
It's 8:28. Okay. We are walking our dogs, and what an adventure. Alright, come on, let's go.
Very hot outside.
Let's go, Diesel.
Lady.
Alright, tubers, can you put my TV down? Oh my gosh. We're eating dinner now. She's eating pasta and ranch. Ew.
It's good.
I'm just eating pasta with like, I don't know what it's called. Sauce, yeah.
Hour 24.
Yep. No, 23.
How much do we have to go to?
We have to go to 8:28, and it's like 7 something.
I think it's 8:26.
Every time I say 8:28, you ask me if it's 8:26. It's 8:28. We've been over it.
I promise
Like,
you, look back
12
in the
times.
videos.
Okay. It's 8:28.
Promise you it's 8:26. Okay. I can bet it.
Stop! My food! Ew! What's your fault?
What are you doing? Why are you all up on me? You're eating like this.
I just feel tired of it. Come on, I have to poop. Come on! Come on! I have to poop! Come on! Come on! I have to go! Hey guys, thanks for watching. We totally didn't film like a outro for this video or anything because, you know, we just had enough of each other and we wanted to get away. So thank you so much for watching and subscribe!